yoga friends! Before we begin our simple stretches and relaxation today, don't forget to tap like and hit subscribe so you can join us on every peaceful yoga journey. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit with your legs crossed like a little lotus flower. Good job! Cat pose. Arch your back up and say meow really loud. Excellent! Cow pose. Drop your belly down and say moo like a dairy cow. Great warm-up! Star pose. Spread your arms and legs wide, shining bright like a star. You shine so bright! Triangle pose. Lean your body to the side to turn yourself into a triangle. Now switch sides. Fantastic! Frog pose, squat. Squat down low and get ready to jump. Ribbit, ribbit! Super hopper! Lizard pose. Stretch your back leg long and lower your body to the floor like a lizard sunbathing. Now switch sides. Very good. Camel pose. Kneel up tall, lean back, and grab your heels like a camel carrying luggage. Nice balance. Half bow. Pose lie on your tummy, bend one leg, and hold your ankle like you're holding a little bow. Great job! Bow pose! Turn your body into a basket full of fruit. Amazing basket! Wheel pose. Press your hands down and push your body up high and round like a rolling wheel. Fantastic wheel. Seated forward bend. Fold your body tight like closing a book. Well done! Happy baby. Lie on your back, hold your feet, and roll side to happily.